video on modeling a connector part using cryoparametric software. This video is only for beginners like students who are interested to learn modeling software. This is a component with many features. It looks a bit complex, but as we model it one by one, it becomes easy. A whole feature and new datum planes are created in this model. Simple modeling techniques are used here. The same feature can be modeled by various methods. So you should be aware of that. And mistakes made here while modeling are kept as it is to show you how to modify features at a later stage instead of deleting it. You can simultaneously learn the software and component by reading the orthographic views. Let us move to the video now. First we will try to understand this diagram. Okay, so the front view, side view and top view is shown. You can see the cylinder. Okay, so in the front view and top view you can see that it's a cylinder, and then you have a flange kind of thing which is of rectangular shape shown in the side view. Okay, and there are two additional features also. Okay, so on both sides there are additional features. We will try to complete it one by one, and in the flange there are holes also. Okay, so it is a little complex one compared to the previous exercises. So as usual, we will try to set the work directory first. Select your folder, set that as a work directory. Now go to new. If you want, you can give the exercise number. Okay, so this is exercise number 4. So we'll go into the new thing. Now here first I will try to show you this cylinder. No, you can even revolve or extrude, whichever you want. You can do that. We will go with extrude itself. Okay, we will try to do with the extrude itself as usual, as you are convenient with that. So as usual, go to sketch, select the sketching plane, use sketch view. First we will try to complete the cylindrical portion. Okay, so this is a shaft kind of thing with a round here, and the dimension of the shaft is given on the side view. You can see the side view where you see the 42 is the dia. Okay, and the another circle, outer circle seen is not a dia, actually it is the round. Okay, the junction is rounded, so that is what you are seeing in the outer circle. So only 42 is given as the dia, that is the shaft dia, and then dia 22 is there, which is the hole dia. So first we will try to do that. As usual, go to circle. Okay, you can draw two concentric circles. In this case, the outer one is dia 42, the inner one is dia 22. Okay, simple. Just draw two circles, finish it, go to extrude, extrude it for the required length. Now what is the length? It is directly given in the front view. 96 is the length, so give 96 and finish it. Okay, so you have completed this cylindrical portion. Now as the next step, we will try to do this flange portion. Okay, it is a rectangular one, a flange is there on the other side. Okay, so let me select the same sketching plane which is in one end of the cylinder. Go to sketch, sketch view, just draw a square outside this cylinder, give the dimensions. It is 105. Okay, here also it is given 105, so it is actually a square. 105, try to put it in the center. 105, fit the screen and try to put it in the center. This is 105 divided by 2. Okay, and this one is also 105 divided by 2. Okay, so you can directly give that, finish it. Don't go to the fillet and all those things, just try to do it simply. Extrude. Now this extrude distance is required. Okay, so we are going to extrude it. Okay, change the direction. We are going to extrude it for only how much? 12. Okay, it is like this. Finish it. Okay, the base thing you got is over. Now we will try to make this 4 rounds are there. So go to round feature here. You can see the round feature.
Go to round, select these edges, carefully select the shorter edges. Okay, this short, press Ctrl and select the other edge. Okay, like this, select all the 4 edges. Okay, in a single set you will have all the 4 edges, and the radius, how much is the radius? R20 is given. So radius is 20. Okay, give the radius value as 20. I will get that round. Okay, so this is over, right? So we have completed the base thing. Then we go for the, see this corner, there is a round, probably we will finish that round also. So go and select, carefully select this corner and round it. What is the round radius? Whether it is given, here it is given, round radius R5. In the top view it is given round radius R5. Okay, finish that round also. Okay, I will now tell you how to do that hole also. Okay, see, we will go for that hole. The same thing, select this surface. Okay, then we have to give the references. Okay, here in the hole option we will use this symbol and drill option. Okay, use the symbol drill option. When you use this drill option, you will have the provision to add counter bore. Okay, when you add counter bore, you will get these steps. So here this hole is actually with counter bore. You can see in this section, and also here you can see it's a counter bore. So you have to use the option symbol, not flat, use drill. When you use drill, this counter bore and counter swing will come. Use counter bore. And when you go to shape, no, when you go to shape and select the counter bore, you will have these options to enter the dimensions. So in placement, we have placed this hole on the surface. Now we have to give references. Okay, select this offset reference, select this side surface, press Ctrl to select the next surface. Okay, for multiple selection you have to use Ctrl. Okay, now you can see the holes and go and give the shapes. Okay, actually the whole dia is 10. Okay, here it is hole, dia 10 through hole, 20 deep for 2 units. Okay, so here this counter is not 18, it is 20. It is 20 for not 11, for only 2. So these details you can give in the shape. Okay, so you have to use symbol drill option, then counter bore. Okay, no need to go for standard and all. Just use this and complete this. So you will get whatever is required for you. Depth maybe you can give through all. Okay, so we will get a through all hole. Finish it. Now you want to have 4 copies of this as usual. Select this hole 1. Okay, go to mirror. Select the sketching plane. You will get it mirrored. Select both hole and the mirror one. Go to mirror. Mirror it with the other plane. You will get all the 4. Okay. Now I am introducing you another new thing to create the next 2 features. So it is an interesting thing that 2 rectangular plates. Okay, you can see in the front view 2 rectangular plates are there. Okay, one you could see in the front view itself, another one you could see in the top view. Okay, 2 different rectangular plates of different dimensions are there, and you can see they are offsetted. So we will do one by one. First we will do this one. Okay, the longer one for length 76 has 2 holes there at a distance of 30, 20 from the left hand, and 2 hole dia is 12. Okay, we will create this rectangle which you can see in the front view. See, this is a thing, the holes are there. The depth for the hole is also should be available. Okay, it should be a through hole. Now we want to create this rectangle, but in this place we will have only a cylindrical surface. Okay, here we have only cylindrical surface. So what we will do is, first we will create a datum plane offsetted at this distance. Listen carefully. We will create a datum plane. I am introducing you this creation of datum plane. So there is something called plane. Go to this plane. Okay, select this plane and select the center plane. Go for offset translation at a distance. Say just I give 10 to show you how it varies. See, if you change the direction, it will come on the other side. Okay, so which direction you want, you can create a datum plane like this. So an additional plane will come somewhere outside. Okay, and how much is the distance for this one? It is 25 from the center. So I mentioned 25 here. So there is a datum plane. I am creating 25 mm or 25 units away from the center. Finish it. So a new datum plane is created. Now use this datum plane as a reference and go to sketch, go to sketch view. Now we will create this rectangle for 76. Okay, just draw a rectangle which is coinciding from here. If you want, you can go for wireframe view. So it should not contact here anywhere. Okay, don't coincide with the existing points. Just create a simple rectangle for length 76. Width is given in the front view here 30. Okay, so with 30 positioned equally on both sides. I think it is positioned. If you want to confirm, you can go for dimension from here to this axis. How much is the distance? It is 15. Okay, it is already. No, it has used midpoint option. Constraint midpoint is already there. So it's fine. I have completed this. Okay, go to. See, the depth is not same. Okay, there are two holes. The two holes. See, in the side view, the two holes penetrate till the center. It's a through hole up to the center. But this projection is not like that. So I'll just complete this. Don't draw the hole in this itself. Okay, complete that sketch. Go to extrude. See, when you extrude, it goes up to only the next surface. It should come like this. It should come and get contact with the other one. Okay, for that there is an option called to next, up to next. Okay, in the depth option there is something called to next. If you click that to next, it will stop. So in the center there is nothing. The hole remains as a hole. This will be adding and connecting the cylindrical surface. If you extrude, it will not join with the cylindrical surface. Okay, you have to use this option. Finish it. Now come to the select top surface. Go to sketch. Okay, sketch view. Draw two circles in the center. Same dia. See, equal. They are of same dia. They are two holes of dia 12. So this diameter is 12. They are dimensions are required. So let me go for wireframe view and see the dimensions. This is given and this is given, but these dimensions are not available for me. I have dimensions from the left hand, so I go to create dimension, select this and the center and create a dimension here. So how much is this distance? It is 20. Give 20. Now the next distance is given. Okay, from the hole to another hole it is 30. So I need this to be totally 50. This dimension is totally 50. You can create this dimension between the two holes, or you can calculate it and mention it as 50. Okay. So this completes the hole. Finish it. Okay, we have made this hole there, sketch there. Go to shading view. Go to extrude. Change the direction. It is a hole up to maybe even this center or up to this distance you can give. Okay, it is coming up to the center, or maybe this this dia we know, this distance we know, it is 25. So maybe you can even give up to 25 or even lesser is fine. Okay, it should reach this surface. That's all. Reach this surface. This distance is enough. I give 25 and finish it. This complete one portion. This completes the top portion. Now we come to the next one, side one. So here you see it is coming, this is at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so we'll create, similarly we'll create another datum plane. Okay, we'll create another datum plane. Go to datum plane, select this datum plane, offset it. Now here, this offset is like this. Okay, it is offsetted like this, but the distance we have to find. How much is this distance? See, it is offsetted at a distance of 32. In the side view bottom, you can see that. It is offset at a distance of 32. So give 32 and finish it. Use the same principle. Select this new datum plane. Go to sketch, sketch view. Change it to wireframe view. create a rectangle without coinciding anywhere. But this one, how much is the distance? It is given in the front view, 57. 57. Width is 30. Okay. So width is 30. Position in the center, and this distance is 57. Okay. So finish it. Use the same logic. Go to shading. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Okay. Only up to next. You don't want to fill it. Okay. It is only up to, there's a hole remains as a hole. You can see in the dimension. So just we will extrude somewhere here. Okay. So use the same option like previous one, up to next. It will be connecting till the next. So finish it. Then in this case, you can see in the side view there is a projection kind of thing. There is a rectangular pocket kind of thing. Okay. So we will try to do that, and after that there is a hole. The hole is on the outside. So first we will try to create this rectangle. In the side view you can see there is a rectangular one which is of distance, okay, width 8, okay, height 16, and the position is required. So that we will do in this particular surface. As you could see in the side view, you select this surface as a sketching surface. Go to sketch, sketch view. Okay, for our convenience we go for wireframe view. Now you have to create a rectangle. While you create, ensure that you are not coinciding anywhere. Okay, we don't know where it is coming, so don't coincide with any of the existing geometries. Just create it. You can magnify it. This distance is given directly, it is 16. This width is given, which is directly 8, and this should be positioned in the center. So this 8 position in the center. Now how much it is from this center? I think the dimension is given 17. See, from the center the one end is 17. So this distance is actually 17. Okay, it comes like this: 17 from here, then 8, this 16. This 16 is equal. No, this 16 is not equal. Okay, so you just observe this. Observe it carefully. The center of the hole is here. The 16 is not in this. This 8 is not correct. Okay, there is some gap. So what is the distance? From the bottom it is at 15. From the bottom it is coming at 15. So this 8 is wrong. So I'll delete that. I'll go for dimension. From the baseline to this 15 minus 8, 7, which means it will go to the center. No, but that's not correct. Okay, I will come back to this. I will keep it as it is like this. I will come back. Actually, I have made a mistake in the previous two. That's the problem. Actually, the previous projection, no, that is not in the center. This 30 is from the base. Okay, from this bottom. So I will go back to the previous one. This one, I will edit this. Okay, go to sketch view. Actually, this is not 15. This dimension is wrong. This one is coinciding here. Dimension between this line and this one, it is 0. Okay, so now probably we will be able to finish it. Go to this extrude, edit it. Okay, now go to shading view. Let me now through hole up. So we will give it up to 30 and then do that hole again. So like this we finish it. And now come back to this sketch 6. Okay, so edit this sketch view. Now we will make this at 15 in the center. I think now this is correct, I think. Okay, so probably this is correct now. Okay, finish it. Go to extrude, change to shading view. Okay, it's a hole, but the hole is not for through. Okay, you can see the hole distance is only up to 50. Okay, so this distance is only 50. This hole is for a distance of 50. Finish it. Okay, now we'll come and make the hole in the top. So select this one, this top surface, go to sketch, sketch view. So for our convenience, if you want, you can go for wireframe, but actually it is in the center. The two holes are there which will come in the center, not in this axis. Okay, so just create a circle somewhere without coinciding anywhere. Okay, so let me use a wireframe. So this distance, it's a whole dia 10. Okay, and this distance is from the center, no, from the bottom the distance is given. So create dimension from this bottom, this is 15. Okay, and this distance is not given, instead this distance is given. Okay, this is 15, you can see here. Okay, so this distance is 15, from here it is 15, dia 10. Okay, so this hole is over. Now create another circle in the same axis. Okay, with same dia, equal or no, they are equal. Okay, make it equal. Now this distance is given. Okay, 22 plus 15. Okay, so this completes it. Okay, now go to, we have completed this two, go to extrude, change it to shading view for easy visibility. Okay, change the direction. Now this is up to only this portion. Okay, this width only up to this. So we know this distance, it is actually 32 minus 17 minus 8, remaining will be this distance. So you can give that distance here, 32 minus 17 minus 8 will be the distance. Okay, we'll be able to get that hole. Okay, so this completes it. Now here we have to make this hole again. Okay, so I go for sketch, select this surface as a sketching surface, go to sketch view, draw a circle in the center coinciding with this dia. How much is that? Okay, change to wireframe view. Now I can coincide it here. Okay, go to shading, finish the sketch, extrude, change it, remove material, and this distance is already known. Okay, 96. Okay, finish. Okay, so this completes the component. Go and save this. Okay, already we have given the name, so save it inside that. Okay, now go and
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood how to model the component. The component can be modeled in any CAD modeling software like SolidWorks or CATIA or UGNX by following the same method with minimal changes in features offered by that software. All the best.